Do y'all like Frozen?
Yes, I love Frozen. Elsa's my favorite. Me too.
This is a Frozen Mustang.
And a Frozen Ford.
Yeah. Look, it's got Elsa and 2 people can fit in it.
And the ponies in the back. I love ponies. I think I love ponies more than the Frozen. Yay, 3 ponies. Get this. You got that piece, right? Yay! Pull it up. 1, 2, 3. Yay! They did it. Now let's take off this stuff. I think they might have put it in the pad so it doesn't break when it falls off the bike. Hey, look. The 2 horses. 1, 2. I know where the instructions are. But wait, I think there's more things in the box. Yeah! I'll get them. I'll keep it open for you. Let me just get that. Let's do it together. Got it. Hey, look, it's another Mustang. Yay. Now let's start pinning it together. This is nothing. Wait. No instructions. Here's the instructions. Yeah. Get the other side. Okay. No, this side. Okay. Please. Okay. Slowly set it down. Slowly. Where do I need to put it? Yeah, this piece. I think we need to put it under this. We need to put in the screws. Let's look for 2 screws. I think they're in this box. Let's open up. What is this? Cool, look, it's a tire. Hey, what's this? It's paper. They're the stickers for the car. Yay. But stickers. We're going to have to do that last. Yeah. Here's another tire. Where would they put those screwdrivers? I know the screwdrivers, the screws. Yep, here are all the tools. I think this is the driving wheel. This is one of them.
Those are rear view mirrors. They go on the side.
I know. I see them at Mommy's car all the time. Now let's get screwing!
You want to sing the Batman song again?
Batman! The next step is to, let's check. Step 3. Front bumper. Now we need to get the bumper. The bumpers. That's good. Drop it. Now let's see what we have to do. Oh, these. Right here. I got the blue side. It's a metal part that protects the tires from popping.
Yeah. It's a hubcap.
Now let's put this. It's not really cool without this. There.
So what are we going to do, Sarah?
So what we're going to do is fix it in post. No, this isn't really wiggly actually. But it is, the front wheel is attached to this thing, a trigger, which you could stop it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is really good.
Whoa.
Here's the grill.
That's the dashboard?
Yeah. Looks like the dashboard.
Yeah.
Oh, and here's the key. Let me see, it has to match up.
On. And then puzzle. Screw it in.
Oh, I didn't get this. Get this.
Let's lift this upside down so you can see where.
Ah!
Oh, I'm sorry. You gotta reach Titans.
Here's the one cheek.
Okay, what's next?
Oh, next you gotta put this on. And we're setting it on slowly. Push. Yay! We got the spoiler on. Now it's time for the seats, I think. This is the steering column.
Can you say that again?
It's a steering column, but it looks like a cane. Can I? I'm no lady. Can I try that? Can I try that? Can I try that? Woo! How about this? Can I show you foot something?
That's up there for the keypad.
This could also give it a job, but it's too heavy. I'll do it on the other side. Okay. Got it. Good. Oh, can I do the map?
Yes.
Can I do
I've been dying to the map.
slide? Costume. Would you like to ride first? Can I be the driver? Yep.
There we go.
Click to subscribe or watch more videos.